Hi, welcome to Blink Spotlight, where you are the star of the Blink stage. Action.
Hi, I'm Alexandra Michelle. I'm from Mexico. I'm Blink since 2018, and this is a day in my Blackpink life.
I wake up at 9:50 a.m. Today is the release of the Gone MV. It's only 10 minutes left. I really enjoy listening to Blackpink's music. It keeps me active every day. I always watch videos about Blackpink on YouTube. I love Jisoo online friends. I don't like to do homework, but Blackpink's music motivates me. Although sometimes it distracts me because I prefer to dance. My cat is also a Blink. I finished my day doing a stream for Rose on Spotify and YouTube. I'm going to sleep very late.
Please enjoy my dance cover for On the Ground by Rose.
My life is a bit boring, but Blackpink always make it better. XOXO.